Unexpected little accidents like this can happen anytime, anywhere, so it's best to plan for them. A damaged alloy wheel is unsightly and could reduce the value of your car. But with GardX Alloy Wheel Protection, a mobile technician will visit your home or place of work and repair the alloy with the minimum of fuss, leaving it looking like new. And whilst we're talking wheels, GardX Tyre Protection Insurance covers your tyres in the event of any accidental or malicious damage, contributing towards the cost to either repair or replace the damaged tyre. Your safety is paramount. That's why we provide a like-for-like replacement. You will also receive, free of charge, GardX Tyre Guard, a temporary repair solution, so no need to change the wheel at the side of the road. So choose either alloy wheel protection or tyre protection, or why not take them both and enjoy complete wheel protection for total confidence now and on the road ahead.